This is my bike check for my Macniel green machine. Alright, start off with the front. I got the Sasquatch bars, the Sasquatch bars. Samsquatch, yeah. And then I got the Edwin Grips. And then the front rim is a Primo rim, laced to a 36-hole profile hub. My tire is a Primo Dirt Monster. My stem is a Collation. Yeah, and I got an Odyssey headset. And then my forks are Odyssey. And then my seatpost is the Macniel Pivotal, the Macniel seatpost. Then I got Primo cranks, Primo pedals, and an Odyssey 25T sprocket with a Odyssey bottom bracket. My back rim is a stock Macniel rim with with an Eastern hub, and then I got some shadow pegs. Yeah, laters.